Page 2. What do meerkats eat? Page 4. Where do meerkats live? Page 5. Page 6. Interesting facts. You know, when meerkats eat, the mother always leaves last in the group. The children always goes first because their predator might sneak up on them. Meerkats live in the desert, where it's sandy and hot. The sand is nice and cool, nice and warm for them, but not for us. They are the most... Meerkats have soft skin and sharp jaws. Their nose is twitchy and meerkats have really soft fur. Their eyes have dark brown patches around the eyes. Most meerkats' eyes are brown. Meerkats have soft ears, a brown patch over its eyes, darker fur, light fur, a strong tail, strong legs, paws with long claws, and a mouth with sharp teeth. I am the member of the mongoose family. I am an endangered animal, and I also called suricate. The average rainfall is 12 inches.